took a lot of energy there, guys. Oh, so that was a younger, beautiful version of me. Oh no, this one's already more beautiful. But still, talent for love and welcome everyone to
Virtual Trivia! Nice to meet you guys.
Today's theme is
Naruto
and today, everyone, we have a very special guest with us. This is our beautiful co-host from the anime world. Which anime are you from?
America!
America!
So excited!
Yes. And tonight we'd like to start off with our very usual speech of telling you all how to play. Especially if you are new. Remember our QR code over there. Yes, if you are new, you can either scan the QR code or click on the link, but I don't know, on our Facebook. Yes, you can find our link on Facebook or go to the website, crowd.live, and enter the code TV5
Yeah.
Yes, from there, where do you go, Beto?
After that, you enter a valid phone number and an appropriate username, guys. Remember, keyword appropriate, because we've got mom, dads, your brothers and sisters watching. You may think you're slick, you're not slick, you're just disrespectful. Don't do it. Be mindful. Put on an anime name, guys. Put on an anime name.
You could be Naruto, you could be Luffy. You know
exactly.
What I
And
mean?
when you do, you could win awesome prizes like... Oh, shoot.
For first place, you got a $100 voucher from our beautiful Daphne's Love from the US. And second place, you get $60 cash. How much is that, guys?
No. $60!
Oh my.
$60!
That you pick up from Rooster Rentals. And third place gets $40 cash.
That's $40, guys.
And if you're playing with a family of two and you get second and third place, that's $100 off for you.
Oh, yeah,
All for
guys. All for you, y'all. So let's get started with our countdown.
Yes.
And discuss about it.
So, you guys are anime watchers?
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
I am.
You
For
are?
sure.
What do you watch?
I watched it all.
I'm gonna rage bait some of y'all. We'll make some of y'all angry and say One Piece is the best anime.
Okay, buddy.
Right.
Okay, I think you need to leave the building, bro.
One Piece. But we're not gonna tell me that because today it's all about Naruto.
Guys, remember we also got the Hall of Fame. If you perchance won the game from last week and you win today, you will not be receiving the reward for first place again.
And for your information, FYI, what she meant is if you win first place consecutively, meaning in a row.
Yeah,
say
it's
first and second place. First place consecutively, you get Hall of Fame.
Yes, that's right, guys. Let's get right into our first question. Who is the main character of the anime series Naruto?
Is it A, Naruto Hatake, B, Sakura Haruno, C, Sasuke Uchiha, or D, Naruto Uzumaki?
Guys, let's be so for real. Naruto Hatake.
No, this
For real, guys.
If you don't get this,
Get out.
right.
Just stop playing altogether.
So many people had a crush on Sasuke. I don't know what that's about, you know?
Really?
I know what that's about.
Hey guys.
Oh, girl! I can see.
Okay. The fight is between Hatake and Uzumaki.
Yo, that was a trick
Come on,
question.
guys.
It's Uzumaki. That's right. So you gotta read your questions correctly. When I was reading those answers, I was like, "Who's Hatake?"
Yeah,
Right.
You know?
that was like a trick question.
35% of you are.
No, they were fooled.
Oh,
Because
no.
fun fact, Naruto's
Oh, fun fact. Naruto's surname, Uzumaki, means whirlpool in Japanese. And the red spiral on Konoha ninja vest is actually the Uzumaki clan symbol, honoring the bond between the Leaf and the Uzumaki clans.
Hey, so like he's the OG, y'all. He's like,
draw it.
yeah, like. And then you
Right,
get it?
right.
You get it, gang?
Yes.
Yes. Mr. Uruguay 685. That looks like a PUBG Free Fire name.
I got first place Fiji or FJ, and you who's third?
And
Doc.
I think I know this man. Yes, I
Yes, you
do.
third place. Hiruto. That's like the Hinata and Naruto
Ship.
I see you guys.
Taika.
Ah, interesting. Well, Annie. The flip is Annie.
I don't know.
J-Tap.
And with our question 2, what is Naruto's dream to achieve as declared from the start of the series?
Give me a minute. Is it A, to avenge his parents? B, to become Hokage? C, to marry a beautiful girl from America? Oh, geez,
someone's from America.
Ninja. You never know, you know?
To become the strongest. Yo, but that's so valid. I think everyone would want to marry a girl from America. You know? I would marry her.
No. And B is...
B,
A lot
to
of people-
become Hokage. I don't think that's right. Because remember, he wanted friends and family.
No, I think he gave up on that.
And a girl.
Oh, he gave up on
A beautiful girl from
He
America.
found that along the way. But his dream was to become like his dad, which was...
Avenge his parents.
So you guys
Sorry,
are
guys.
very wrong.
Hokage.
That's very interesting.
Fun fact. In the end,
Naturo? Naturo? Who's Naturo? I don't know Naturo.
I didn't say that. Naruto fulfilled his dream by becoming the 7th Hokage. And the whole village celebrated him as the hero who saved the world. Exactly the recognition he longed for as a child.
That's kind of sad.
But he got it in the end.
Yeah,
so.
like the people from the beginning, y'all are mean.
Yeah, I remember
he
they
was
like
just a kid,
shot
you
him,
know?
bro. He was
Exactly.
just the baby.
Right.
Wait.
He's just the baby.
We got first place, MPK.
Second place, Naruto?
Hiruto.
Hiruto.
My
I
bad.
think so. I'm
Sorry.
not sure. I'm not sure.
Hinata and Naruto, right?
Oh, I
Wait,
see.
didn't you already
I
talk
see.
about that?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, you
Who's third place,
did.
Bella?
I don't know, Mr. Uguay 685. Wonderful.
Ugawa
Wonderful. Absolute amazing. Immaculate.
At fifth place. Yeah, like Sasuke's alright, but it wasn't all that.
Question 3. What special ability does the character Sasuke Uchiha have?
Is it A, Shikotsu Myaku? B, Chakra Chains? C, Sharingan? Or B, Byakugan?
Sharingan. Sharingan. Chakra Chains. Shikosugumyaika. Shikosugumyaku.
Shikotsu.
Byakuka. Borikikuka nanya. You guys feel me? Feel my
A lot of
energy.
people believe it's a Sharingan. The Sharingan, the thing in your eye. Whereas nowadays, people call it contact lenses.
Oh.
That's right.
Oh,
That is right.
True. Get natural eyes, guys.
Because it
Right.
correct answer was Sharingan.
Sharingan. I don't know, guys.
Sharingan. Wait.
Sad fact. The Sharingan is said to awaken when an Uchiha experiences intense emotional trauma, usually tied to love or loss. That's why so many awaken it through tragic events. Very tragic, by
Love
the
or
way.
loss?
Yeah.
Wait, if it's love, that means you could just be like super in love with someone and bam, you got the Sharingan, right?
That's
Yeah,
not emotional
but-
trauma.
Well, yeah, that's not really trauma.
Then you could be so heartbroken from the love. From
That sounds like a trauma.
That's sad.
Like that. Find out your
What a
brother
sad way
ate
to
your
get
piece
it.
of cake without you knowing.
How could you?
Yeah,
Boom,
exactly.
Sharingan, right here.
Boom, I'll kill you.
Yo, guys, look at that. Second place is shared between two people.
Oh?
Bro, I'm like 16.
There's competition here.
Yeah.
What the flip?
What
We go tap and question 4. Which Hokage sealed the 9 tails inside? Sealed the 9 tails inside Naruto.
Salde, was it A, first Hokage, B, fourth Hokage, C, second Hokage, or D, third Hokage? Not gonna lie, I thought this Hokage thing was gonna be in order.
Right, that's first, fourth, second, third.
Right, there's only 4 guys. Why
Wait,
can't we put it in
That's a
order?
bit suspicious, don't you guys
Guys.
think?
Wasn't there 5 of them?
No, there were 7.
No, never mind. I know there's 7 in total because Naruto's
There's-
7.
Right.
Do you guys know what
9.
6 is? 6 was Kakashi, my favorite. Anyways,
Kakashi was.
guys, fourth Hokage is correct. The fourth Hokage was also in the fun fact soon to be given.
That. So the fourth Hokage. I tell you.
Fun fact. Minato?
Minato.
Minato.
Oh, get out of here!
Minato is the only Hokage who became a... Somebody else say that.
Jinchuriki!
Himself, briefly sealing half the Kurama inside him before dying.
I don't get it, bro. So
No,
he
so, like, he
I saw something like Yang was stored in him and Yin was stored in his son. Yeah, guys, lots of problems because you know that.
Ooh, Mr. Uwe 685 at first.
So, how old are
Moving
you,
up.
bro? How do you know this?
Probably a teen or something, you know?
True. But we got Kakashi and he's like 16. Question 5. What is the name of the villainous organization that seeks to capture all the tailed beasts?
I know this one. Is it A, the Tsutsuki clan, B, the Leaf Shinobi, C, the Akatsuki, or D, Team 7?
Osusuki.
Your favorite team, Team 3.
Osusuki. Osusuki clan.
Akatsuki. I think it's Akatsuki.
Susu.
It's Akatsuki, guys. Yo, I've been seeing a lot of kids wear like hoodies with Akatsuki.
Yeah.
You know?
Like, do you even know where it came from? Y'all are just wearing it because it's.
Look cool.
Yeah.
It looks cool.
Yeah.
Isn't it? That's why, right?
That's it, guys.
That's right, guys. It is the Akatsuki.
Akatsuki.
That's
Oh,
where
guys. What? Can you talk properly?
Can't do it.
Fun fact: the name Akatsuki means dawn or daybreak in Japanese, symbolizing symbolizing a new world order.
And a new word, symbolizing.
Symbolizing y'all new word order. Symbolizing. And Mr. Uwe, this guy knows his anime. He could be 32 or 12.
I'm probably making him very mad.
Maybe.
No worries.
Asuma, Cheese, FJ, Kakashi.
Doc at second place.
Question 6. Which team does Kakashi Hatake initially lead in the Naruto series?
Guys, I changed my name to Can You Marry Hatake, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Is it A, Team 7, B, Team 10, C, Team 8, or D, Team Guy?
Team God.
Team Guy, it sounds like the most, because why is everything else numbered? Come on, guys. Right?
But that's what
If you think about it logically, and not
No.
not look at the numbers for once, you would probably say it's Team Guy.
If you guys look at the stats, we got 7%, 7%, so 7 is the correct answer.
There we go.
But there's 3 there, and there's 3 there. Right, guys?
But if you look
7
at
plus
the
7,
statistics-
14, minus 1, 13.
yeah.
You guys feel me? This is a
No.
trick question.
Team 7 consists of Naruto Uzumaki, Sasuke Uchiha, and Sakura
Haruno!
was originally led by Kakashi Hatake, who is known for his copy ninja abilities.
You sound so
Like me, guys.
Maybe because I am.
Hatake.
Guys, my copy ninjas over there, just chilling.
And we've got Luffy, J-Tap, and Naruto, Hiruto,
Wait, let me put my spell again. Ready?
and Bunshin no Jitsu!
It's like your jitsu. That was my jitsu happening again.
And I see Coconut. Coconut looks like a cool guy or girl. Question
it's a dog.
7. Which of the following animals is the summoning animal of Gamabunta in the Naruto series?
Is it A, giant monkey, B, giant toad, C, giant snake, or D, a giant bird?
Guys, be so for real. Look at that green creature.
that picture.
You know what's green? A snake. So, that means we gotta pick birds. You guys get what I mean? Because I see the sky. What's in the sky?
all adds up. What picture
Birds.
can you say?
Birds are in the sky. But then when we see the ground, you don't see a monkey. So don't you know? What?
That's right, guys. What was it?
It is a giant toad. Gamabunta.
You're getting there.
Hinata?
Oh, my turn. Gamabunta is known as the Toad Boss and is a powerful creature in the series, often aiding the main characters in battles when summoned by Jiraiya, Naruto, or the 4th Hokage.
Guys,
you're right. Yeah, dude, bro.
Guys,
Fine, I'll leave right now.
I was kidding.
you know what's crazy? We look exactly like them.
Wait, I'm the green frog. You're the one in the middle. Wait, you're the green frog. No, I'm the cool guy. So
I'm the one in the front.
I'm the white
Clearly,
frog.
I'm the one in the middle.
Sure, buddy.
Oh,
Kakarot.
Kakarot!
Bonjo.
What's up, Kakarot?
Bonjo.
Snake.
Ponjo Saito.
Seth Bankai.
Moon Knight.
Bankai.
Question 8. In the anime series Naruto, what is the primary village where Naruto Uzumaki resides?
Is it A, Konohagakure? Sorry. B, Kirikakure? C, Iwagakure? Kumokagure? You know what
Iwagakure, Kumokagure, Kirikakure, Konohagakure. Can you say it?
Sure.
Go. Say it.
I can't say that.
Say them! Get it, yeah, stop. Konoharaga.
Place your bets, ladies. Which one's yours?
I think it's Kirikakure. And I'm wrong.
That's right, guys.
Why? Where are the hints? Is the 4 heads in the wall?
Also known as the village hidden in the leaves, is a ninja village known for its numerous notable ninja clans, including the Uzumaki and the Uchiha clans.
Oh, I didn't notice the trees. Oh my goodness, guys, you get it? You get it, the leaf, because they hide in the leaves. That's amazing. So, like Samoa, guys.
So
Like, we got trees. You get it?
The ocean clan.
Like, oh, Alpha at 14, bro. What?
Top 3 staying very consistent. MPK, most popular Queenie Mary.
So, I'm at first place, guys. Yeah, big reveal on Mr. Uguay, 685. MPK, I don't know who that is because I'm never second place.
Right.
Question 9. What is the name of Kakashi Hatake's signature technique in the Naruto series?
Is it A, Rasengan, B, Chidori, C, Amaterasu, or D, Kirin? C kind of sounds like tiramisu,
Rasengan.
but we're going to talk about that.
Rasengan!
Rasengan.
Rasengan!
Yeah, do it.
Chidori!
Auntie, help me.
Amaterasu!
You gotta like.
Rasengan!
There you go. Bam, we did it.
That was
did
low-key cringe, bro.
That was awesome. You didn't feel
The Tapumba class.
She's a hater.
And that is right. Chidori! Chidori!
Clear your throat, brother.
Chidori! Chidori!
Let's
Chidori!
go learn our enemies again, cause
Yeah, no, this is like the second runner-up.
The Chidori is also known as the lightning blade, was originally created by Kakashi as a close-range attack that requires intense speed to be effectively executed.
so these are really
But
fun.
guys, now
speed.
Naruto's gone, y'all. It's his son, Boruto, now. Y'all, what
How
the?
do you feel about that?
I feel bummed out. I think I wouldn't watch Boruto. My reign would stop at Naruto.
Right. I feel the same.
Or at season 1.
No, literally.
Mr. Uguay at first place. This guy knows his Naruto.
He really does.
Oh yeah.
Should've been Mr.
Hey, let's not forget Doc. Doc's
Yeah,
in
Doc.
third place for a while now.
And MPK, like what is your long name? Minister.
Most playable character.
Oh,
So
that's a K, bro. What are you?
Most
Dynamite, Shunamite,
Most popular.
Fonte, Machete, Youngie,
Eren Yeager.
Tung Tung
So-
Sahur,
Analia. Oh, that's a
Analia.
Analia.
Analia! Question 10. What is the name of Naruto's childhood friend and rival who eventually becomes the 8th Hokage?
Wait, what? Is it this in the Boruto one? Isn't it?
But then this is also based off of Naruto.
Okay, wait. Is it A, Rock Lee, B, Shikamaru Nara, C, Sasuke Uchiha, or D, Nechi Hyagu?
Guys, be so for real. Childhood friend
It's Sasuke.
rival. What the flip?
Yeah.
No, guys.
Oh, never mind. Sorry, yeah, Shikamaru, isn't
Do
it?
you even know who Shikamaru is?
Yeah, the shadow guy.
They were never rivals. They were always friends, right, guys? Right, guys?
Shikamaru, guys. Do you guys have a friend named Nara? I do.
Shikamaru Nara. Oh, the Shadow Jutsu.
The 8th Hokage in the Naruto universe is Shikamaru Nara, who takes on the role of provisionally after Naruto Uzumaki disappears and is thought to be dead.
So he disappeared.
He disappears and is thought to be dead.
So he's not dead.
But he's
But,
thought to be
but they think he's dead.
Yes.
They don't know what's coming up. They don't know his next move.
Never let them know your next move.
Yeah. Gang signs.
No.
Where's Doc?
Oh no.
Oh, he didn't even know.
Anyways,
Kakashi Kakarot is back though.
Yeah.
Kakarato.
Kakarot, guys. Come on.
Kakarot.
Look at you, because Angie said it right.
Asuma. I think that's a character. Seth, yo, bro. Who's Seth? Be so for real, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like everyone from different animes here.
Do you see Fonty? Stop, Fonty!
Galugo. Yungi.
Anna.
Yongi. Question 11. Which character from Naruto has the ability known as the Byakugan?
Is it A, Hinata Hyuga, B, Gaara, C, Sakura Haruno, or D, Rock Lee?
It's Gaara.
Look at the
I don't know
eyes,
about
guys. Who's
That's a
it?
man's eyes.
That's
Okay,
That's
but
a
that's not
man's
Gaara.
eye. That could be Gaara.
That is not Gaara.
You don't know. You don't know who Gaara is?
Yes, I do
Who
actually.
is it? Who?
He doesn't look like that.
Well, you never know. Maybe he's like, I'm gonna be a changed person.
Change his whole appearance.
Yeah.
And you were wrong.
It is
How is it gonna be
Hinata.
wrong?
I'm never wrong. I'm just incorrect sometimes. Okay, but it's all for the plot, guys. For the plot.
We all have setbacks.
That's your job, buddy.
I'm trying to say that.
Byakugan.
The Byakugan is a unique ability of the Hyuga clan. Hyuga, allowing them to see through objects. Bro, you guys wanted me to do this. See through objects and detect chakra over vast distances.
Guys,
Yeah.
try to say Byakugan, but in a way where you feel like you just saw the word for the first time.
Byakugan.
Yeah.
Byakugan. Byakugan.
We're the Byakugan.
I feel like they just brought me on here to clown me.
No! We bring each other.
Everybody.
If our Sasha was here, she
clown
would
her.
understand.
Miss Shasha. She's probably blinking right. How dare she?
Kakashi.
Yeah. Don't worry, because I clown pizza too, you know.
What the flip, bro? What? Question 12. What is the signature ability of the Sound Village ninja known as Orochimaru?
I feel like I've seen that name before.
Yeah,
Is it A, Rasengan, B, Susanoo, C, Chidori, or D, Edo Tensei?
Bro, stop. Ero Tensei. Oh, I got it! I'm so built! Who's Orochimaru? Is it that snake guy?
I think.
Right? Because Orochimaru, when you think about it, it sounds like the snake guy.
Right, it does.
Someone be so for with me right now. I can't trust this season 1 person and this never watched it, just watch shorts, okay?
I watched it. I was there for the first 3 seasons and then I left because I was young.
Interesting.
Just wasn't there anymore.
55% went for Edo Tensei.
And it
What
is.
is this, guys?
We'll see in the facts.
We'll never know.
Don't ask me.
We'll never know.
Oshimaru's. Stop it right now. Edo Tensei allows him to reanimate dead warriors and control them. First demonstrated during Japan's Tokugawa shogunate.
Shogunate?
Close enough?
Shogunate?
Shogunate. No, shogunate. Shogunate is the word.
Is it Shogunate?
So am I right or am I wrong?
You're right.
I have no idea, man.
Maybe
It's like
you're
first time
wrong.
seeing that word.
But we'll never know. See, everyone didn't
Maybe
even
we're
know
all
what they
wrong.
were doing. The boss man.
The boss
J-Tan.
man.
See that? J-Tan?
Bankai. Dun 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 dun. Bonjo.
No. How do you say it's really awesome again?
Really, sugoi ne.
Sugoi.
Stop. Willis. Who's Willis?
Willis.
Nice name,
You
girl.
don't know Willis, Becca? Oh my gosh.
You know Willis?
Oh, the real
That's it,
Naruto.
Becca.
Oh.
The real one.
He's
No,
legit,
no,
bro.
no.
What is the main function of a headband worn by ninjas in Naruto, also known as a forehead protector?
Do you guys see this, guys? I have one too. Is it A, to control chakra, B, to represent the ninja's village allegiance, C, to hide identity during missions, or D, to boost ninja speed?
The flip? What do you mean hide identity? You're literally showing where you're from.
So it's gotta be B, guys. Because it's also the longest answer, and statistically, in our past questions, the longest answer was always the correct one.
But I would have actually just thought it was like a forehead protector.
I actually,
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know what?
I did not know it was a forehead protector. I thought it was just to represent.
You're right, and you were right, Angie, because it is.
But why would they make it metal? You know?
So
No, wait. Some people
to protect the
yeah.
forehead.
Then some people put it on their arm.
around their neck.
The symbol on the headband or forehead protector indicates the village affiliation of the ninja in the Naruto universe.
But it could all be fake. You know?
It could.
You guys, you know when Naruto
That
was
is a
popular
possibility.
back then, everyone would draw the symbols like everywhere.
Oh
Yeah.
I remember
It was all
that.
scary, man.
I drew it a lot. I was like, I'm a Naruto fan. You guys don't get me, bro.
I should draw the whiskers. You know?
Oh, and the whiskers.
Whiskers.
Oh yeah, I definitely get that.
Just on that gym, like that.
King Adam.
King Bob, King Bob. You know that one? You not know where King Bob is from?
King, you know
King Bob is from
King Bob is from.
What's King Bob?
You don't know who King Bob is?
Like Kimbap? Just from Korea?
No, just
Oh, we're talking
get up.
We're talking Kimbap or King Bob?
Dynamite,
second
Shunamite.
Dynamite, Shinamite.
Question 14. Which member of Team 10 does Shikamaru Nara describe as a beautiful disaster for her bossy and formidable presence?
Is it A, Hinata Hyuga, B, Temani, C, Sakura Haruno, or D, Ino Yamanaka?
Ooh, that was
I'm
Yamanaka.
Look at that,
gonna
guys.
say D.
I think I had a crush
Or
on her
maybe
back
B.
then.
You guys remember when she cut her hair?
Oh!
Yeah.
Right, I forgot she had long hair. What? She had a fan, right? She
No.
used to. No,
Wrong one.
my bad.
That's the other one. She's from the Sand Village, the one that you're talking about.
Oh, what? Then who is she? Oh, she's
She's the one in the
strong with
Shadow
her
team.
arms.
You see her forehead beings around her waist.
She's a baddie, y'all. What? She's a baddie.
That's
they
right,
baddie.
guys. Her name was Ino Yamanaka.
Wait, but it's like supposed to fit your head. So if it fits her waist,
Ino Yamanaka, with her mind transfer techniques, is one of the only female members of Konoha's
Konoha. Kunoichi.
Kunoichi teams originally trained by Asuma Sarutobi.
I'm so proud of you. You said that.
Oh yeah! I can breathe.
You did great.
Her drip is fire.
Look at that.
Her drip is fire.
I
Her
can
drip
do it.
is. Why does she have flowers? Oh, mind transfer.
That's the
So
drip.
that's her power.
Yeah. She did that with Sakura, but Sakura stamped herself.
Oh,
and she was
Mr. Uguay lost his first place.
fine. You're right.
Kakaro.
MPK for the win! Oh my god.
Minister Public Kentucky Fried Chicken. Guys.
I have an M and a K in my name, so I'm rooting for you now.
Oh,
You go ahead.
I don't.
Tung Tung Sahura, are we serious?
Tum tum.
Tonto. Machete.
Gotta
Like,
go.
imagine coming on a game and you're like, I want to be called a machete. And question 15. In Naruto, which character has the unique ability to use a fan as a weapon for combat and manipulating wind?
That's the one that Beck was talking about a while ago. Is it A, Tamari, B, Rock Lee, C, Ino Yamanaka, or D, Naruto Uzumaki?
Well, she looks like a Rock Lee to me, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Probably with a hint of Uzumaki in there.
The last two, like, what do you think, Angie, of the last two? There's no way, right?
Yeah,
For real?
for real.
Cause like we already mentioned those two names, and a lot of people are going for Tamari now. You know?
Yeah, because we've never.
But guys, think about it. Sand, fan, wind, rock. I'm wrong, cause Tamari is the correct answer.
Why? Why is she? Does she not have a last name?
It's the challenge. Wait, you go first.
Tamari is known for using a giant folding fan called the Kamaitachi to create powerful wind techniques. And she comes from the hidden sand village.
Guys, let's do a quick challenge over here. You have to say this in a really cool anime way. Say those her
Amazing.
name, Tamari.
Say it. You initiated the idea.
Tamari.
Why do you go deep, bro?
That's fine.
You go female. Tamari-chan. You know. Oh yeah. Kakarot's ZF. What is that? Is that like an internet connection or something? ZF7006.
Don't copy that, guys. Might be a virus.
Yeah, probably a server.
Look at that name, guys. Alpha. Are you an alpha, Angie?
I'm an alpha. I'm an alpha.
Beta.
Hey.
Beta.
I'm the only beta here.
It is my name. Beta. Bomberclads. Eden Yeager. Dang, guys. What is the taking of the long for the next question? But let's just look at their names.
Guys, see the really cool way.
Question 16.
Oh, come on.
In the series Naruto, what is the name of the weapon shop owned by Tenten's family?
Tenten.
Oh. Is it A, Kunai-Con, B, Heavenly Weapons, C, Tenten's Arsenal,
Come on, guys.
or D, Tools and Weapons of Paradise?
So I would guess the one with the name, the name in its name. You know.
The name in its name.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so real.
That's just Tenten. Kunai-Con.
No, brother, no.
Okay,
No.
Tenten's Arsenal. Wait, don't play. I choose a better one.
Tools and Weapons of Paradise,
I'm gonna go with
guys.
C.
Guys, you guys can't read Chinese. I mean,
I literally said Tools and Weapons of Paradise.
Tools and Weapons of Paradise.
Okay, so Tools and Weapons, that's 1, and then Off 2, and then Web Paradise, that's 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, there's 3 kanjis.
Tenten, a character known for her weapon specialist skills, runs this fictional family shop, although it is not heavily featured in the Naruto series.
What does this
Makes
mean?
sense.
That's why 10% of you, only 10% of you knew.
These are the real
The
OG
real one,
fans.
right?
OG fans, y'all.
Or people just guessed. But we don't know.
Fictional family, what does that mean?
Guess.
Like her family's not real? She never had family?
In real life.
In the series? That's so sad. Oh, Kakarot! He knows his stuff. I think this guy came like later on in the game, so that's why he's like only 3rd place.
But he was in top 3 a while ago. Maybe that's when he went to go for album.
Yeah, he's like, guys, fakali mai, they don't want to fight.
That's more important, right, guys? The
Taika!
albums are more important.
Kali mai Taika.
Willis.
No, Willis. Yongi. Question 17. What is the primary color of Sakura Haruno's hair in the Naruto series?
Is it A, blue, B,
Come on,
pink,
guys.
C, blonde, D, green?
Whoever picks blonde, I know you're just trying to be funny, bro, but like, stop. Would you pick blonde? Does Sakura sound like a blonde?
You know what? It does sound like it, but I would not pick it.
So it sounds like it, but we wouldn't pick it.
Right.
For what?
A sakura is a cherry blossom tree.
Oh, true. But some cherry blossoms are white.
Drop your facts on me.
And it was correct. It was pink. I think people know what the trees
That
are.
was an awkward silence.
Then you guys were so quiet. I was like, wait, guys, wait. 83% was correct.
Sakura's pink hair is distinctive in the series and symbolizes her unique personality and determination to get Sasuke.
Oh, that was crazy.
That was
man.
so-
That was so crazy. Like, it was not cool.
Like, cause he was the cool guy and she was that girl that just always wanted to go with the cool guy.
Right.
Right, guys? Would you go for the? I don't know.
Don't worry about that. Bunkai! Stephanie. I love that name.
Stephanie is
Like
so.
Bethany, you know?
It's like the best name here, y'all. What's your favorite name on right now?
Willis.
It's only because she saw the name Willis, guys.
MPK for me. MPK, whoever you are, please remember to post what MPK
Papa.
stands for.
Really? I'm MPK.
Stop lying.
I'm being so weird, guys. I'm literally playing. Look, it's me. It's me.
She's not even showing off the screen.
Right.
I'm PK.
No, my MPK means my favorite Queen Berry.
Question 18. Which character from Naruto
Copy
has
Ninja,
the
come
nickname Copy Ninja?
Where's our copy ninja?
Borinshino Jutsu.
Oh yeah, good job, buddy. Good job. Keep it up. Keep up the good energy.
Is it A, Hinata Higa, B, Iruka Umino, C, Kakashi Hatake, C, or D, Guy Might?
Guy might guy.
You guys don't know Guy? You don't know Guy?
I do. It's the father of Rock Lee.
That's the one.
Like, cause me so rude. Someone was saying that.
It's just is his teacher, you know.
Everyone knows it's not Hinata Hyuga. Like, you guys think she's not capable of copying a ninja? And you're right.
And the correct answer is Kakashi Hatake.
Hatake.
Hatake?
Hatake.
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 That was American.
American, right out of us. Woo. Let's go.
Kakashi Hatake is known as the copy ninja because of his Sharingan, which allows him to mimic almost any jutsu he sees.
Sharingan?
Almost
So he has Sharingan?
I
Yo,
guess-
bro, remember? He has Sharingan.
Yes.
Yeah,
He
and it
does.
can almost any. So
But he's
which
not part
ones
of
can't
the
he?
Uchiha.
Don't you know the story behind that? He took his friend's other eye because his other friend gave it to him.
Oh! Did you know this?
Oh,
we didn't know this.
His friend, Madara.
Wow, you know.
Wow.
How many shorts did you watch?
Anime guy.
Okay, buddy. Goodness gracious.
MPK leading at first place. Woohoo!
Oh, there's a new person.
Whoa.
The boss man.
What happened to Kakarot?
The boss man.
Wait, what happened to Kakarot though?
Kakarot fell.
Naruto ST. What does that mean?
Kakarot Super 2.
Where's
Superman.
Willis? I want to see Willis.
Willis.
Willis, where you
Willis.
Willis!
Willis is down there. I think he's getting it right, but he's just.
He's not down there, but he's up there. He's up there at 34.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a sure.
Filippo. That's Filippo.
Cheese.
Wait, guys. I think the next question's the last one.
No. We've got about like two more. Which character in Naruto is known for saying art is an explosion?
Well, clearly it's that guy in the picture, right? Is it A,
No.
Sabuza, B, Kisame, D, Deidara, or D, Hidan? I don't know, guys. I didn't make it this far.
None of us did.
His hands make me feel uncomfortable. Like I don't want to look at it anymore.
I don't know. That's
That's-
pretty cool.
Doesn't that mean like you know that anime Sukuna where Jujutsu Kaisen comes from?
Yes.
I think that's where they stole the
That I know.
idea from.
Oh, you saying Jujutsu Kaisen copy?
No, but you know also Fairy Tail has someone with like mouths coming out of their.
I think they got
someone does
inspiration.
inspiration.
Yes.
A lot of people believe it's Data.
Deidara.
Deidara. Is it Deidara?
Data.
Is it D or
Day?
D or day?
I didn't make it this far.
She did not make
Neither
it.
my
very
Japanese
far.
lessons nor in anime.
D Deidara
Oh my god.
is a member of the Akatsuki group, and he uses his explosive clay creations as his signature technique during battles.
That's awesome.
Also, he makes clay creatures,
Clay models.
and then
I
what?
see where
Like
it
he
comes from
froze
now.
them. You know, like when they put bombs on kids and they tell them go hug
Whoa,
someone.
whoa, whoa.
I mean, back in the day, they put bombs on dogs and let the dogs run
Okay,
to
you know,
dogs.
just put
Shut it down.
Yeah, it's just put on that.
My apologies.
Away, far away.
Just a
But,
real
you
dark
know,
fact happening in the world.
Oh, J-Tap.
What happened to the boss man? Dang, boss man.
He's
got
not the boss man no more.
robbed.
I think J-Tap and Tap are family.
Guys, look at the points between MPK and Mr. Ugwe. The next question is the last one, and this one can determine who are real first and second
Oh,
places.
true.
Because third place is
snap.
pretty much
snap.
determined. Third place is determined.
Oh snap, guys! J-Tap. Imagine if J-Tap just like won the question at 100 points. He's just like, boom. Oh wait, he still wouldn't catch them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tough luck.
Dynamite. Question 20. Who killed Neji Hyuga in the Fourth Shinobi World War?
That's a bit of a very strong word to use there in the question. But is it A, Obito Uchiha, B, Madara Uchiha, C, the Ten Tails, or D, White Setsu?
Who unalived Neji Hyuga? This is Hinata Hyuga's older brother, cousin,
No.
Who did it?
uncle,
Great
little brother,
grandpa.
great grandpa. No,
Neji.
you don't even know this, bro.
I feel like it was Obito, but it was the Ten Tails! That's right, guys.
Obito is.
I was gonna say Obito.
Yeah, Obito is
The other guy. But we're
the
not
other
gonna talk
guy, the
about
one
that.
with the mask.
Sad fact. Is it Neil? Neil died shielding Naruto and Hinata from the Ten Tails projectiles, one of the war's most heartbreaking moments.
That's like
I think it's Neji.
English is Neo.
Neji. I think it was supposed to be Neji, but like I think English was like, don't be funny. It's Nail.
Whoa.
Neo.
Nail. How would you say that?
Neo.
exactly how I said it. Neil.
Neil.
Neil, that's how you
What's
pronounce
up,
that.
Neil?
Neil.
Would you name your son Neil? And our winners are Jealous Club. Jay.
We all saw this coming.
Oh, he got it wrong.
He did.
I think he got it wrong.
He didn't go up, but that's okay.
Mr.
Uman. He got that wrong too.
That's the OG.
Oh, that's the same points he had. He actually got that one correct. That's impressive.
That's so awesome. Well done.
Yo, he only got 2 questions wrong.
Everyone, please remember to stick around for our next round, which determines what our next round theme will be.
Ritty.
Riddle. For real.
For real.
Nara join the chat.
Galuko. Bankai.
Actually, guys, stick around. Don't go away yet. I mean, sure, you can go take a bathroom break, get more
Yeah,
water.
just take your phone with
Guys,
you. Don't.
remember to stay hydrated and safe from the mosquitoes, especially your children. Okay?
Yeah, guys.
Because this thing is getting real serious.
Mm-hmm.
Did you take your mosquito spray?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what should be our next theme?
And here we are, guys. The very important one.
That's
Wow.
Oh, there's a lot.
That's a lot.
Fish. Let me read it through. A. Rush Hour. B. White Chick. C. History's Greatest Hits. C. Magical Musical. F. Science and Technology. G. Pacific Islands. C. Marvel Universe. E. History and Famous People.
E. What did E?
Oh.
Rush Hour.
Okay. Statistics going on.
Everyone went for the one thing that wasn't like scientific or like an encyclopedia of something. What is this?
Everyone went for Rush Hour. Woo! Wait. Don't forget to go to our posting round, because in our posting round, tell me, do you want Rush Hour 1, Rush Hour 2, or Rush Hour 1 and 2? Because that's a serious question, guys.
We're all gonna become dumber if we keep guys, let's pick something that actually, makes us a bit less like monkeys,
But, scientists believe we are monkeys, but I believe that
we were all once apes.
Dirt.
I don't believe that. I'm just gonna go out there and say it.
Okay.
Because I've said like so many things, but we're not gonna talk about that right now, because next is our posting round, where you guys tell us what you think about the themes that we just put up, and any questions about the questions that we put up.
Wait, how many letters were there?
Huh?
How many letters in there?
Oh,
And
it went up to
everyone.
J, K.
J, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. That was 10 options.
Did you not notice
Ooh,
that?
the flip made 10 options. Why
But
didn't you
that's
remove
awesome,
5 and put 5 in, guys?
That's variety. That's variety.
My name is LeBron James. Can we please get
You could
her out? My bad. My name is Peanut Butter.
LeBron.
Wait, guys. I made a song. I didn't make it, but I sort of made it.
Yeah.
I want to play it for you. It's real fire. You
Oh,
know? It's really awesome. You're gonna love it.
Post a pic of your father and mother. Oh, your dog
Post
and your
your
mother.
ninja stance, guys. Your ninja stance. You know.
Okay, what are we doing? Post a pic of you and your family playing tonight's game.
Doesn't have to be a picture, guys. Could be a word of awareness to everyone or something. You know.
Yeah, like, did you do your homework?
Or stay safe.
Yeah. What are some words?
What are some words?
What are
you-
some words?
Oh, there it goes.
That's our girl, guys.
That's the copy ninja.
She just came out of nowhere, guys.
She was called
She was cold.
Ninja way.
Ninja Way.
When
Remember me.
do we remember me?
I remember you.
She's lying.
No.
Do we even know their name? Like, what's your name, buddy?
Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Oh, Mr.
Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Oh, Kimetsu.
Kimetsu no Yaiba. Is that Demon Slayer?
Yeah, that is Demon
That's
Slayer.
Demon Slayer.
That's why he's got a kimono and a
Mr.
katana.
Oogway. Remember me? I remember you.
The dog.
Second place. I'll see you at Uso Rentals to pick up your $60 cash prize.
Oh, Mr. Ugu was second. Oh wait, who was first again?
My phone died.
MPK?
MPK,
Yeah,
MPK.
gang.
Kimetsu do no.
Wait, so how much does first place win?
The $100 voucher from
100.
Daphne's.
Wow.
Is that boss?
Wow. Emojis.
Boss is happy.
I absolutely love emojis, guys.
I love his dog. Look at him.
Spill over the screen.
I just love this dog, guys. But I also love Angel. Right?
Next,
Oh.
Okage. Oh.
Ah!
You go, brother. You go.
Period.
You lock into your studies, man.
When
Wow, I'm from last week. I remember you. How can I not remember you, Mr. Uboy? How can I not, you know? But do you remember
Hello.
me?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello, Kakashi. Is that what the name is? You're right. One
Kakashi.
Piece is the best anime. No.
not this bro having Kakashi and then have a One Piece
The
phone.
reason
What the
why- the
flip,
reason
huh?
why they call it the top 3. You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
The top 3.
Top 3.
Count your
and Bleach.
days.
Wow, what are these? I think y'all are 12. Stop.
Count your days. 1, 2. Traumatize someone, man.
Good game, everybody. What is that? That guy would never play this game.
When I came first for the first time,
Oh, he's hugging.
be like, thank you. You know what I mean?
6, 8, 5. Boss. Period. Lauli, bro.
Good night.
Good
Good night.
night.
Good night.
Sleep well.
Girly pop.
See you guys next week. Yes, 14.
This guy didn't even answer a single question. I don't even know what he means,
does that
but
matter?
see you guys next week. Just so I don't have to answer any of the questions.
I'm you on this, so here you go.
Oh, wait.
Thank you so much for playing.
So it's Panda, so I'm gonna assume it's the girl. Period.
It could be anyone, but anyways, hello. What's up, G?
Oh, a lot of people just saying hello.
Sorry, guys. It's actually
Gojo.
Kimetsu. We knew. Don't worry.
Yeah, we
Don't
were
worry,
just-
brother. We caught on. We were just kind
That's a
of.
girl, Hinata.
Like it's like we wanted to review more posts because we have a lot of time to spare because we're supposed to be
No,
here
we
for
don't.
an hour.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
No,
I
we
do.
don't. I don't got time to spare.
You know?
I don't got time to spare, y'all.
Yeah. What do you have to do?
What do I have to? I gotta go home. And I gotta eat. I gotta make sure I pray.
I really
You
thought
know?
were gonna say something
Did you
about
guys
school.
read your Bible? Yes, you might know something about Minato and this anime, but do you know your Bible, bro?
Guys, that's the greatest
That's the
anime
real
in the
question.
world. This is the greatest thing in the world.
The Bible's not an
Wait,
anime, bro.
Stephanie, when I came first for the first time. When It
Oh!
was Stephanie, not our actual first. No offense.
Stephanie.
Hey, where'd MPK go? Anyway, good.
GG's, good game. I know what you mean, buddy.
Yeah, good game, Mr. Uguay.
Eden
I see you at
Yiga.
Sorrento's. Remember to pick up your prize.
Thank you, Eden Yiga.
Oh, wait, Mr. Uguay, before you go, tell me, do you want to donate your prize to me instead?
You know
Which
the
one
special?
is your fave? That's Bankai, guys.
Which one is your fave? What does that mean?
For which one? Like, of the top 3?
Oh, there it is. Oh! The eyeballs, guys!
Blue eyes. I like the Kumara eyes.
Kumara eyes.
Oh, what a cute photo.
Thanks,
Aw,
guys. Have a good night to
likewise.
all. Oh, that's so adorable. I like these
we
guys.
really appreciate these photos. I want to show your family love.
I know. So
And remember, guys, our theme for next week is Rush Hour. Hello again.
What?
Hello again. I'm guessing you uploaded the wrong photo, so you sent something correct to the pizza.
Hello, everyone, especially to my Nana and Papa here in Mangyangi. I love Mangyangi, bro. Oh my god.
Panda. I'm new on this, so here you go.
Yeah, it's the same person. Yeah, I already told you it's Panda.
Oh, look, hello and hello again. Came together.
Hello and hello again. Oh,
Oi. You guys, you make hello.
that's interesting. Well, I guess, guys, since I don't see any more new posts coming up, I hope you guys had a wonderful time with us today. Right, guys?
Good night. Good night, Fonty.
Good night, everyone.
Where did that
That was our very special clone. She just
Yeah.
loves to.
Clone around.
That's the one.
one? Rolling around.
Let's
Say something. Let's say some words. I hope you guys had a blessed week Hope you guys have a blessed week going on forward to next week when school will be restarting again. I hope you guys had an awesome time with us because me and my host had an awesome time. It was pretty quiet because we're still babies. Y'all don't judge us. We're still babies.
And don't forget, guys, this week is a half week for everyone because this week is the election
week. Yeah.
And we don't know much because we're not at that stage of our lives yet. But,
yeah.
Stay safe out there, everyone, especially the kids. There's mosquitoes everywhere and this very dangerous disease. And every child out there, I know you're playing virtual trivia, but remember to also do your schoolwork. Because we wouldn't be here if it weren't for our schoolwork.
Exactly. Give it some answers, even if it's wrong. Just make sure you can tell your teacher, I did my work.
Right.
It's true. Do you have any words, my beautiful co-host?
I hope everybody has a good night and have a good week at school. I personally will not be attending until I get back.
Yeah, guys. Remember, she's from
America.
Time, yeah, period.
And also to send some love to our lovely sponsors, Daphne from the U.S., love from the U.S., and Ministry of Health as well as Uso Rentals. Thank you so much, guys. Without you, this would not be possible for us. And aside from that, quick reminder of our next week's theme, which is Rush Hour!
Go back to school! I don't know why it's Rush Hour. Yeah, so it's Rush Hour, guys. I hope you guys, once again, have a blessed week. Don't forget to pray and thank God for this wonderful day and the whole week going forward. We'll see you guys again next week for our theme, Rush Hour. God bless, and till 5 3 4.